Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you and or function in MS Excel. So what we'll do, definitely here we will type and function. So as you know, in order to start any function, first we have to type is equals to, then we will say and then bracket open, and then we will select this cell. And definitely it is showing the address of the cell, means A for definitely showing the column and that one is showing the row, getting me? So A1, and then we say is equals to, and then we say whatever the value we say is equals to Naveed. If you are not getting, don't take it, okay? And then again I will click on B definitely, and definitely showing the address of B, definitely B definitely is representing the column and 1 representing the row, and I say equals to 1 2 3. That's fine, enter. And as you can see, they're now showing false definitely. But if I type here Naveed and if I say 1 2 3, so as you can see that now we have true. So definitely you will confuse, say yeah, what the server was doing, I was not getting. If you are not getting, so definitely this is for you. What is the work of you can say AND function? Definitely this is the AND function or formula you can say. So the what is the work? Whenever we say two values, for example when we say AND, so means that it should be right, means when we say that okay, this cell is equals to Naveed, so definitely this cell should be and has to be you can say equals to Naveed, and definitely this cell is equals to 1 2 3. So if we say that, for example, if I remove D from here, so you can see that now it is showing false. Why? According to AND means both should be correct. According to AND, then both conditions should be correct, means one of them is not correct, so definitely it will not show true, getting me? And if we have if we talk about OR, so we have OR. So if I type here OR, definitely the syntax will remain same. So if I select this cell and definitely is equals to, I say that this cell is equals to Naveed, okay, fine, Naveed, and comma, and definitely I will select this cell and I will say that is equals to 1 2 3. You can see that they both have the same syntax, but they are little bit different. How they're different? When I say AND, so means that the both conditions should be correct, but when I say OR, so one of them should be correct, getting me? So if I say, if I remove 1 2 3, so AND is showing false, but you can say OR function is showing true. Why? According to OR function means if we are giving two conditions, it can be you can say you can have 3 conditions, you can have 4 conditions, but right now how many conditions do we have? We have 2 conditions. So according to OR, if one of them is right, is fine for OR. But when you talk about AND, so then that means that the both conditions should be correct, getting me? So definitely what we did, definitely we used AND function. As you know that in order to start any formula we use is equals to, then AND, definitely when then we open the bracket, you know, and then we click on the cell and definitely we say is equals to Naveed, comma, definitely we can give one if we use comma, so we can give one more condition. So if I say that this condition, if this cell is equals to Naveed, and if this cell B1 is equals to 1 2 3, then give me true. And same for you can say because of OR function. So in this lecture what we learned and OR function. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.